Ready? Ready for this check?
How can you do that without it burning your throat?
Because I'm good like that.
Okay. Super belch, ready?
Stand back.
I don't know if I can get this one right.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. It didn't come out.
Ew, gross. I can belch way louder than that. This is my third drink and it'll be gone, all gone. Ready?
Oh, my burp disappeared. I just threw up in my mouth a little there.
Standing back. Oh yeah. Last drink. That was lame.
You're kidding
child.
me. Does that thing have caffeine in it? Probably. Caffeine free. Of course.
What?
I had to sue them.